What's going on, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today we're going to be showing you how quick and easy it is to swap out your engine air filter on a 2021 F-150 with an EcoBoost V6. So let's get right into it. First thing you need to do is just come in and pop these two plastic clips forward. Then once you've done that, you can lift up on the top of the airbox, and you're going to want to kind of slide it towards the front of the vehicle as you pull up, and that'll undo these tabs along the back side of it. And then you can see we already have access to our air filter, so you can lift out your original filter, which this one is pretty clean. It doesn't really have a lot of mileage on it, so we're probably just going to reuse it. But once you have your new filter, or if you've got a drop-in oiled one, you're just going to position it in the same way. Make sure that this rubber seal is all sitting flush and that nothing's caught up or that a corner didn't get pinched. And then we can slide this back down, and we'll push it backwards first just to make sure it slots in. Click our two little tabs on here, and we should be good to go.